Hello kids, let's learn about colors. Welcome to Manushri and Malhar tutorial. Let's learn colors with live examples. Color red. Red cap, red t-shirt, red shoes. Color brown. Brown shelf, brown teddy bear, brown pot. Color blue. Blue t-shirt, blue shelter, blue shoes. Color orange. Orange window, orange shelter, orange door. Color green. Green tree, green shorts, green grass. Color purple. Purple flower, purple tree, purple skirt. Color white. White apron, white wall, white cap. Color pink. Pink table, pink cup, pink frame. Color black. Blackboard, black hair, black computer. Color grey. Grey wall, grey carpet, grey couch. Follow for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe.